Okay folks, I'm here in Anaheim, 4th of July 2026. Let's see what we can find. Here's Cabot Street. Pretty neat. Nothing too crazy. Alright folks, I'm here at the intersection of Beach Boulevard and Ball Road. And it's 4th of July 2026. So let's see what we can find. Alright, here I am at Beach Boulevard and 2nd Street, near the Casa Playa Motel. Let's see what kind of tweaker activity is going on at the Casa Playa. No loitering. Well, I guess as long as I keep moving, I'm not loitering. Yeah, it seems pretty busy. I mean, it seems pretty quiet in here. Okay, I think I overstayed my welcome. And here I'm at Beach Boulevard and 1st Street. There we go, some bottle rockets. Okay, here's what's going on at 7-Eleven, 4th of July night. In all the chaos of the fireworks, I've yet to see a streetwalker, so keep your eyes peeled. There we go. There's the police camera. You see off in the distance they're doing bottle rockets. But right here they have the big mortars or whatever. And there's the bus. Of course the bus has to stop at the Beach Boulevard train tracks. Safety procedure. And look off in the distance, you can see the smoke and the fireworks. There we go. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's plenty of cars with their alarms going off in the distance. Here we go. Here we go. First responders. There's a ton of them. Maybe I could go see where they're going. Hell yeah, that's a lot of squad cars. And the helicopter. And here we have the safe shops and Adventure City. Fireworks in the distance. actually. Not too much activity. Last year there was some streetwalkers hanging out right there, 2 of them. And the third one walking around right here. I guess they shifted. Or maybe I was out later or something. Okay, I'm back at Beach and Ball on 4th of July, 2026. First stop, the Travel Inn. Let's see how many people are traveling into the Travel Inn. At 9:31, 4th of July night. Yeah, nothing too crazy. You can see the Buddha statue. How many shadowy figures can we see at the Shadow Park? Besides yours truly. Hey, check it out. Wow, it's an old car. Who knows cars? Here's what's going on at the Shadow Park. Yeah, there was way more people here last year. There was these 2 guys standing here and they might have said something to me, or they might have just been yelling about the fireworks. Yeah, look at that. Okay, what's next on the itinerary? There's a big camp of tweakers, vagabonds. What's the politically correct title? Okay, I'm here at Linrose and Beach Boulevard. Here's the bus. Here's the palm trees and the divider. There's the little mini encampment. Oh, they finally fixed the lights in this area. This area is usually pitch black at nighttime. Ah, the Days Inn. Some guy saw me at the Days Inn. I think he's getting up to yell at me. Yeah, there it is, the Days Inn. He thought I was gonna go in there and stay in there. Here at Orange and Beach Boulevard. And if you're wondering, it's 9:37. Fireworks in the distance, not too much going on. I don't know if it comes in on camera, but there's definitely smoke lingering in the air. You can see it in the street lights. There's a bus. Let's visit our old friend, the police camera. Here we go. And here's the Pacific Inn. Here's the room, probably on camera. Here's where the guy sits. And no, it just looks quiet in here. Coke machine and nothing else. Here we go. Lots of fireworks visible from the parking lot of the Actually, I can't even see what motel this is. Hey, whatever it is, look, it has these like golden elephant things. Oh, it was the best budget in. That guy looked crazy as hell, man. That black guy looked crazy as hell. I had kind of a half smirk on my face just to kind of just de-escalate. Is that Knott's Berry Farm or something? Look at that in the distance. Yeah, those are professional, I think. Yeah, should have went there. Yeah, you're all going to be doctors and engineers someday. He's fixing his car. Okay, here's these apartments. And a bunch of fireworks are going off over here. Man, did they ever open that 7-Eleven? Only one way to find out for sure. Is it gonna be like just filled with mannequins and stuff and crash test dummies? Lorendo Taco and 7-Eleven. This is the first time I've ever been here when it's open. There's Lorendo Tacos or whatever the heck it's called. What do you think? Looks pretty interesting. There's some moto guy buying stuff. 7-Eleven. And then here's a big stretch limousine. I wonder if there's some celebrity here or something. Here's Millennium Clothing. Whoa, what the fuck? I didn't even realize I was up here. Did Knott's Berry Farm close? Sorry. No, it's not gonna work. Hey, I'm the only solemn person here. And if you look for, I know it's dark, but the top of the tower is illuminated. There it is, Independence Hall on the 4th of July, 2026. What do you think?